I would probably tell people that are brands and in packaging suppliers world to attend the summit, because honestly it's very concise and small. I like the smaller, more intimate format, and it's really easy to connect with people, and I think it's a huge value add.
You need to be here at least once to understand the power of networking, the power of the things that you learn in the conferences, because sometimes you don't have this opportunity to learn from the brand owners.
You're able to do individual networking, you're able to find new suppliers, and you're learning from experts in the industry all at the same time. And so it's a lot of bang for the time that you have.
The sequence of the summit's been really great. You have two speakers in the beginning, and then you get to kind of have the one-on-one. So the transition throughout the day keeps it like it doesn't feel like a long day, and it feels invigorating, and you get the energy, and then you kind of get to come back to the more inspirational parts of it. So the flow's been great.
The summit experience event, if I could build up in one word, is full of connections and full of new ideas, for sure. It's definitely not one word, but it will do.